Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This here is your host, CB Puffin Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, disposable dab rig using these three items here in front of me. This pen, of course, has to be a push pin type. You need a spring. So let's get started. We'll take this pen apart. There's the spring I was talking about. That's what we need. And we also need this pen body, which we'll take this rubber piece off of there, set that aside. All right, here we go. We got our pen body here. We've got our spring here. Now there's some coils, tightly coiled at the end. On one end, you'll want to keep a couple of those coils tightly coiled. And then on the other end, you'll want to grab just one coil with your fingernails and stretch the spring out. Stretch your spring out to where it looks like this. You got a couple of the tight coils right there. And you've got one little loop right there. See that? All right, then you're gonna take your pen body here and you're gonna take the coiled end and shove it down through here, like so. Hooking this little loop on the lip of the pen. That's gonna keep your spring from moving up and down. All right, so you got that. So what we're gonna do now is take a little bit of this tape here, just a little piece, and you can use whatever kind of tape you have handy, but then we're gonna lay it right up here just to keep that spring attached. That's all we're doing. So just wrap that tape like so. All right, and here you have it. A nice little homemade quick little dab rig. So what you do is you get your dab and you put it right here on this little coil. And you heat up your spoon with a torch or on a burner or however you want to do it. And you use this as a straw. And you touch your dab, you just dab it on the hot spoon and it'll start vaporizing off, or whatever you call it, full melting. And that's it, folks. That's how you make, I guess you could call it, a poor man's easy dab rig. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, have a smoking day.